What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your man Jay, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things I love about the DJI MAVIC Mini Generation 1. Let's get it. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to say thanks for stopping by. And if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing because it is free. Do not forget to hit the like button because it will help the channel grow. And make sure you drop a comment below. That way I can know that you are here in the building with me. All right, let's get into this video. This, my friends, is the DJI MAVIC Mini Generation 1. And for those of you who may not be in the loop when it comes down to drones and things like that, just know that DJI has released the DJI MAVIC Mini 2, which houses a few more features than this drone right here. However, I will not be going into detail of all the differences between the DJI MAVIC 1 versus the 2. But if you guys want to see a comparison video on the 2 drones and the differences, just drop a comment below and let me know, and I'll make sure to get that video out to you guys ASAP. What I want to do today is give you guys 5 reasons why I love this sweet little drone. Now, keep in mind, this list is in no particular order, so you're just going to have to work with me, guys. But these are my top 5 things I love about this drone. Starting with number 1, it has to be the size, guys. Coming in at about 249 grams, not only is this drone compact, small, but it is also lightweight. Now, I do believe that this is the perfect size drone to get some incredible shots in very tight places. Now, there's bigger drones out there, the Mavic 2 and, the Mavic Air and a lot of different other drones, but a drone this size can get some shots that some of the bigger drones cannot get to. And I'm pretty sure a lot of professional guys do have a drone like this, a DJI Mavic 1 or 2, as a secondary drone to get those tight shots. So coming in at number 1, I would say it has to be the size, and let's just say the weight too. Coming in at number 2 has to be the Flymore combo. Now, this Flymore combo is going to cost you a couple of extra bucks, but on the back end, you will really appreciate it. I do know that you can get the Flymore combo with the version 1 and the version 2, but the Flymore combo, it comes with extra batteries because the drone comes with 1 battery, but the Flymore combo will give you 2 extra batteries, a battery hub type charger that can even charge external devices. You get extra propellers. You get, the tools to get the drone up and running. It gives you a propeller guard. It gives you 2 propeller guards, 1 for each side, and a whole slew of other little gadgets, as well as a carrying case, guys. So I think the Flymore combo is a great buy. So if you are in the market for a drone and you do decide to get a Mavic Mini 1 or version 2, doesn't matter, make sure you get the Flymore combo. Coming in at number 3, I would have to say it's the DJI Flyout. Now, me personally, this is my first drone. I have had this drone for a while. If you go back and look on the channel, you will see when I actually got it. I have had this drone for a while, and when I tell you, being that this was my first drone, I was able to get into the DJI Flyout. Very seamless, very easy, and I was up and flying in no time. It took me about maybe 3 or 4 flights to actually get the hang of it, of how to maneuver through the actual software on the phone, but it was very, very simple. There's nothing hard about it, and now with the DJI 1 and 2, you can change a few settings when it comes down to the camera and things like that, but those are things that you can learn on the way. But as far as just getting the drone up in the air and taking off and flying, it takes no time. That app is very, very simple to use. So number 4 has to be the video quality. Now, this drone shoots at 2.7K up to 30 frames per second, and I think it's 1080p at 60 frames per second, if I'm not mistaken. Now, 2.7K looks really nice. If you're someone who is not trying to do this professionally, then I think the 2.7K at 30 frames per second will work for you, especially if you just like uploading to YouTube, Instagram, your social media sites and things like that. I think the 2.7K will work perfect. Even 1080p at 60 frames per second will work perfect, but just know that this drone shoots up to 2.7K at 30 frames per second, and it looks amazing. And last but not least, number 5, I would have to say is portability. Now, the reason I say portability is because we already know that this drone is small. It is very lightweight. But when you couple this drone with the controller and possibly your phone, this drone is very, very portable. You can fit it in any type of carrying kit that you may have, whether it be a photography kit or a videography kit, or if you just want to throw on a hoodie and throw the drone, the controller, and your phone, in your pockets or whatever the case, you can do that with this drone. So I would have to say that being able to tuck this drone away in any bag, whether you're going on vacation or anything like that, I would have to say that is like a plus. that is like something very, very huge. When it comes down to the people who, you know, pack a lot of gear and things like that, this is just something that will not take up a lot of space in your everyday kit. So number 5 had to be portability. Okay, guys, so that about wraps up today's video. Those were just my 5 reasons why I love the DJI Mavic Mini first generation. If you guys want me to do like a comparison, just drop a comment below and let me know. But if you have enjoyed this video and any other video on the channel, just make sure you like, because it will help the channel grow. And do not forget to hit the comment section to let me know that you are here in the building. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.